class.
Okay, right.
We started this.
This is Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. Sankalana means collecting the things, right? Vyavakalana means removing the things. Nothing but addition, subtraction.
Subtraction.
It is here. By the addition and by the subtraction. Okay. I hope we have completed this exercise, right? K.
Sir, we did not, I think so, sir. Sir, we completed.
Sir, yeah.
There is homework here.
Have you remembered the approach here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I remember, sir. Yes, sir.
Any number, suppose if it is 34 plus 9.
Yes,
What is the way? What is the approach?
sir, we can add 10 and again subtract 1. The answer is 43. The answer will be 43.
Instead of
And we can add 10 and sir, we can add 10 and again we should minus 1 in it.
very good,
Yes,
correct.
So the answer
Instead of
will
adding
be
9, we'll add 10.
43. Sir, can you say this again? I didn't join, I think, sir, at that time. 34 plus 9, we have to take 9 as 10.
Okay,
So we have to plus
wait, all of you.
9.
Wait. Maybe some new persons may be there here. See, instead of adding 9, we have to add 10. Because addition of 10 is easy, that's why. 34 plus 10, it will be 44. Because we have added one number extra, that's why we need to subtract that one. So,
sir, I understood.
Answer 43. Right. I think we have completed this exercise. K.
That means when it will be 34 plus 19, we can add 20.
Yes, correct. See, if we have to add like this number 9, 8, 7, and up to 6, so we have to add 10. Later, subtract 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. For the numbers 19, 18, 17, 16. For this type of numbers, we have to add 20. Later, subtract for this.
Sir, for 14, sir, for 13, what we should add?
Sorry?
For 13, what we should add?
13 no need to add. So these numbers are just below the base number. These numbers are just, this method is suggestible for that type of numbers only. If you are adding a number, that is just below a base number. What is a base number? Multiple of 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Start the exercise?
Yeah, we'll start exercise.
Yes.
Before that,
This
have completed this one or not?
Yes, sir, we completed. Sir, we completed, sir. Sir, we completed.
Completed, right. Next. This one?
No,
not
sir.
completed, I think.
Sir.
Now you can give your names. You can give your names in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Don't write repeatedly. Give only once. Write only once. How many questions are there? I should get those many questions. Those many messages in the chat box. Oh, full messages. Okay, A Ritvik. Maybe he typed it in the chat box already. Whenever I started, he just press an enter key, right? A Ritvik. C. Show Pranav. F. Satvika. Show Pranav C already over. B. Kunal. Show Pranav C. G. Aditi. H. Raghav. B. Kunal. C. Pranav. E is remaining. Sorry, D also. E. Srishti. E. Pranav. Which Pranav? E. Jaideep. Wait, Sai Kartikeya, Jayit, wait. Only one person, you have to give only one letter number and name, that's all. So if it is already over, you should not give again. Okay. I'm unmuting Ritvik. Ready? One time. Do all the questions. All of you do all the questions. I'll give 1 minute time. Not only your question. Do all the questions. Everybody do all the questions. Not in a regular approach. Sudisha, is it your first class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. You will understand everything. Just follow.
Okay, sir.
Sri Harsha, first class.
No, sir.
Video, please. Sri Harsha. Okay. Daily you are coming to the class. Are you coming daily?
Yes, sir. Some days I didn't come, sir.
Okay. Sudisha. Okay. Yeah, tell me, Sudisha.
Sir, may I know what's going on because I'm unable to understand?
Sorry, your voice is not clear. Speak
Sir,
again.
may I know what's going on and what is the things which are going on now?
Okay. This is a Vedic math class. Vedic maths.
So, sir, what is the topic going on now?
Basic additions and subtractions only. We are in addition subtractions only. Today we are going to start a multiplication, first multiplication also.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is that below RRT, Pranav and all that?
Okay. I'll tell that point again.
Okay, sir.
So in Vedic maths, will concentrate on 10 multiples or 10 powers. Okay, 10 powers are called base numbers, and 10 multiples are called sub base numbers. Sometimes we will also call them as base numbers only. 10 powers means 10 power 1 is 10, right? 10 power 2?
Like 10 into 2 is 10 power 2?
No. 10 power 2, nothing but 10 into 10 again. 10 into 10. That will be?
100.
100. 10 power 3 means?
1000, sir.
Yes. 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000. So these numbers are called base numbers. Next, 10 multiples, nothing but 10 into 1. is how much?
10, sir.
10. 10 into 2.
5 is also 10, sir.
20. 10 into 2.
Okay, okay, sir.
20. 100 into 3.
100 into 3, 300, sir.
300. These numbers are called sub-base numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mostly our concentration is on 10 bases and sub-bases only. 10%, 10 multiples. Maximum cases.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Try to see the approach. Try to see the approach when we are solving this exercise. Okay, then you will be understood everything.
So, sir, here
Yeah,
we have to add 44 plus 18.
Sorry?
So, sir, we have to add 44 plus 18.
Yes, yes. 44 and 18 only, but in our classroom approach.
Sir, you have a classroom, so we have to join in that.
Yeah, we have classroom. You have to join in that. I'll
Sir,
give that
separate
link.
classroom.
Yes. Google Classroom is there. I'll give that link.
Thank you, sir. Sir, in the chat box.
I'll give it in the chat box now only.
Okay, sir.
Everyone who are not there in this Google Classroom can click on this link to join in that classroom.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Jaideep. Jaideep completed. Yeah, Cyrus told it simple version of maths. Yes, we can say that point. This is a simple version of maths.
So, sir, now what's going on is that now you're giving each person a question.
Yes.
What you have to do?
You only have to select your question, and later you have to explain that question in our classroom approach. Okay, now you will see all the things.
Okay, sir.
Jayit, that's what I told. Okay, we'll start with Ritvik. Okay, all of you, I think all of you have completed. No need to write in the chat box. Let us start. Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the question, so A1 is 44 plus 18.
Yes.
So we have to find mainly multiples of 10. So we can add 18 as 2, means 20. We can 18 as 20.
Okay.
So 44 plus 20 is equal to 64.
64.
So again we have to subtract the 2. So it will be 62.
62.
So
See.
the answer will be 62.
Yes, correct. Very good.
So
caps lock on. What happened, Cyrus?
He will type like that.
Cyrus, can you speak? Cyrus? Yeah. What is this caps lock?
Sir, caps lock means that to get alphabet big letters.
That is okay. Cyrus, let Cyrus speak.
Sir is typing anything, sir.
Yeah, Sai Kartikeya. I'll unmute you.
Sir, in chat box you sent one Google Classroom link to join the class.
Yes.
Sir, when I click that and join, it's showing wrong account.
It's showing wrong account. Wait. Okay, let us see that the Google Classroom link in the
Sir, it will help Sai Kartikeya.
last of the class. Okay. At the end, we'll see that Google Classroom.
Yes, sir. That's what.
Where you can turn on caps lock off. Okay. Yeah, Ritvik, over. You can mute now. Again, I'm explaining the same question. A, see. Here, instead of adding 18, I'm adding 20 because that is easy. I'm adding 20 to 44. 44 and 20 will be 64. 64. Because we have added 2 extra, that's why I'll reduce that 2. That will be 62. Clear? All of you? Okay. I am unmuting all of you. You have to mute yourself. I'm unmuting all of you. You have to mute yourself. Whoever having a doubt, then
Sir. Sir,
yeah.
sir, sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, here 44 plus 18 is there. You added with 20, no, sir?
Hmm.
Sir, the Google
But then
Classroom
it
came
is
to
minus
answer
with
now.
2, no, sir?
Minus 2?
We should minus with 2, no, sir?
Yeah, that is what I have done here. That is what I did here.
Sir, I'm
Cyrus,
logging into Google Classroom.
stop chatting in the chat box. Along with Cyrus, Pranav also. Okay. Is
Sir,
there
I
any
got
doubt?
in Google Classroom. I logged in.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
can I see now?
We'll see that in the later. In the end
Kunal.
of the class, we'll see that Google Classroom issue. Okay, Kunal, proceed with the B.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you go in answer, first we need to do 44 plus 44 plus 6, sir. Then the 27 will become 21, sir. Then 40.
No.
40,
You are following the fast old approach. You are following old approach. We are in this sutra, Sankalana, Vyavakalana Abhyam, but you are following that completing the whole. Completion
By the
by the
addition and
completion,
subtraction.
incompletion. Purna Abhyam. Okay.
Okay.
Here the approach is instead of adding 27, add 30. So 30 plus 44.
30 plus 44,
Tell me,
30.
30 plus
74.
74.
Because we have added 3 extra, that's why we need to remove the 3. 74 minus 3, it will be
71.
72. So that is the also correct way only.
Sir, next time could I get chance because till now I didn't get chance only, sir.
Jayid,
Last class also.
yeah.
Sir.
We have some more exercises. We have exercises, many exercises. I'll give you, no problem, no issue. Okay, try to understand this one. We have many ways to do one mathematical question. Suppose if this is the question 44 plus 27. See, 44 plus 27. This is the question. One approach is splitting this number as 40 and 4. This number as 20 and 7. So 40 and 20. Tell me, 40 and 20.
60.
60.
Sir.
4 and 7.
11, sir.
7.
11. Sum.
71.
71.
This is one approach. See another. 44 plus 27. So here I want to complete 44 first. To complete 44, how much is required?
6.
6. I'll bring that 6 from 27. I'll make it 50. But after bringing that 6 from 27, this number will be, the new
21.
number here will be 21. So here it is 50 and this is 21. Sum is
Which gives us 71.
71 again. And another way of doing the same question, 44 and 27. Here I want to complete 27 first. Okay. To complete 27, how much is required?
3 is required.
3. I'll take that 3 from 44 and I'll make it
44,
30 and 44 will become
41,
41 only. The resultant sum is
71 is the answer again.
71. And one more way is this one, Sankalana Vyavakalanadya. This is 44 plus 27. Here we are doing, instead of adding 30, instead of adding 27, I'll add 30 directly because that will be easy. 44 and 30, 74. So we have added 3 extra.
74 again we will subtract
Minus.
3, sir. Minus 3.
So it is nothing but see 44 is there plus in place of 27 I am writing 30 minus 7. Sorry, 30 minus 3. Both are correct or not? These two are same or not?
Yes, sir.
So if when both are same, both will give the same result. So I'll do first these two, 44 and 30, 74, and later we will minus that one. So 71. So these many ways are there and some more ways are there. We'll see one by one. After seeing all the methods, at the end, that is of your choice, which method we need to select. Okay. Now we are coming back
Okay,
to
sir.
the question number C. Pranav. Pranav, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed with C.
Sir, 28 will become 30, sir. Is equals
Hmm.
to 85.
Okay,
And we should subtract 2, sir. Is
Hmm.
equals to 83.
83. Very good. Correct. Then Srishti.
Sir, 37 is closest to 40. So we'll add 35 plus 40, which is 75. Then 45 minus 37 is 3. So 75 minus 3 is 72.
73. Just try to change the terminology here. So instead of
Sir,
adding
70.
37, we'll add 40, sir. And later we'll give back, later we'll remove that 3 extra. Because we have added 3 extra, we'll remove that 3 from the answer. 75 minus 3 will be 72, right?
2. Yes, sir.
Then Jaydeep.
Yes, sir. Sir, instead of adding 29, we can add 62 plus 30, which is
Mhm.
equals to 92. And as we added 1 extra, we should subtract 1 from
Very good.
92. That is equals to 91.
Excellent. Excellent. Satvika.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
So we need to add 3 to 37. So it will become 40. 40 plus 36, 76. Now we will remove 3. So it will become 73, sir.
Yes, correct. 73. 40 and 76 subtracted, sorry, added 3 extra. That's why we are removing that. Right. Then Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, instead of adding 19, we should add 20.
Okay.
Then later we should subtract 1 from the answer.
Very good. Answer will be?
So the answer will be 38.
Sir, can I say one question? Sir, I got say.
Sorry?
Sir, can I say one question?
Okay. Just wait for H. After H, we'll see that question. Raghav.
Sir, 29 becomes 30. So 28 plus 30, 58. 58 minus 1 is equal to 57.
57. Very good. See, one more method here for the same question, sir. Wait a second. For the same question, 19 plus 19, we can do in this way also. I'll consider this number as 20 and this number as 20. 20, 20.
40.
Sir,
40.
40. And
Here
as
we
we
have
added
taken
2
one
extra,
extra.
we
Here
should
also we
subtract
have taken one
2.
extra.
Minus
So
2.
So answer will be same, 38. Here also, because here both the numbers are nearest to base, so that's why we can try in this way also. Okay. And here H also, I'll consider this number as 30 and I'll consider this number as 30. 30 plus 30. Tell me. 30 plus 30.
60.
60.
See.
Here we have considered 2 extra. Here we have considered 1 extra. That's why total 3 extra. So from 60, if you remove that 3.
Sir, 57.
57. Okay. There are many more ways are there. We can select as our convenience. Okay. Who is giving that question? New question?
Sir, I got
Sir, can I?
No. Somebody asked in the middle.
Sir, I only.
Who?
Sir, Sai Kartikeya.
Sai Kartikeya. Yeah, proceed.
Sir, you're writing.
Huh.
Sir, can't see.
Can't see the writing.
When you tell the question, sir will write.
Just tell me the
Sir, I
question.
said I'll say the answer of any question. Like before you ask.
Okay. You want to answer one of these questions, okay?
Okay.
Then explain this one, see. Sai Kartikeya. Explain, see. Sai Kartikeya.
Sir, it's,
Yeah.
Yeah.
sir, it's 55 plus 28.
Hmm.
We should take 28 as 30
Okay.
and minus that 2 from 55.
No. We have to do that -2. We have to remove that -2 from the resultant. What is the resultant of these two? 55. We are adding with
Sir,
30.
I can't hear you.
My voice is not clear.
Sir, it is clear.
Okay, Sai Kartikeya. Somewhere, maybe network issue, maybe there. See again. Here, 30. Instead of 28, we are adding 30. So sum will be 85. Because we have added 2 extra, I'll remove that 2 from the answer. 83. Okay.
Sir, means in the result we should take out 2.
Sorry.
From the result we should take out 2 numbers.
Yeah. One thing here. As we are in this method, as we are in this sutra, that's why we are doing in this way. And whatever you are telling, that is also correct. So simply what you are saying is 55 plus 28 you have given, sir. I'll do in this way. I'll make it 30 and I'll make it 53, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm adding 2 here, I'm subtracting 2 here. So and then we can do the same. This is also another way to do the same question. Okay, that is also correct approach.
Sir,
Okay.
same answer will come.
Same answer will come. In mathematics, whatever may be the method, answer should be same. If you are getting in one method, we are getting one answer. In another method, we are getting another answer. Means your processor is wrong then. Every method should lead to only one answer. Okay, I hope all of you clear with this slide.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, can you
Yes, sir.
one more exercise for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving another exercise. You can give your names. Give your names once only. Don't write repeatedly. Don't write repeatedly. Jayid, write one question. Sudisha, question number is not given. Jayid, the question number is not given. Okay, A is not taken by anyone. Okay. All right. Okay. How many questions are there? H, up to H. Don't write. If completed, no need to write anything. B Pranav. D Jaydeep. A Ritvik is given. Jay, check again. C Show Pranav. D already over Srishti. So Disha, your question number. H Raghav. B Pranav. A Ritvik is over. G Aditi. Why we are again you are typing 54 messages? There are only 8 questions. Why I am getting these many 55, 56? No need to write anything in the chat box. There are only 8 questions means there should be 8 messages. Cyrus, you missed that one. Sudisha, you missed C. Jayit, A missed. B Drona, E Harsha. And only F is remaining. C is over. F Cyrus. Okay, that's all. That's all completed. No need to give any more. Okay, I will let you speak. Wait. Okay. All of you
Sir, I
and
asked from that time.
unmute question only. Wait,
Sir,
wait.
I asked
All of,
that
wait.
Sir, I
Sir, I already said that I want C in the private chat.
Sir, first I said
Or
You should
even I
not
said
write in
that
the private chat. You should not write in the private chat. Everybody should see
Sir,
that.
In the public also, but
sir in everyone I wrote and in private direct message also wrote, sir.
I selected for E, sir.
I want D, sir.
Sir, I selected F, sir.
Why these many messages?
Sir, I said first only that I want D, sir.
Sir, first I said F,
Wait,
sir.
wait. So here,
Sir, see, sir, how many
wait,
messages are there?
you can check your chat, everyone.
Sir, I only
sir,
said
I
first.
already said I want C even in the public chat.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir,
said
you-
to everyone
Sir, on first I only selected
direct
for
message I
sir.
sent to you.
Sir, you only
Wait,
select,
wait,
sir.
all of you, wait.
Sir,
Sir,
you
first
only select, sir.
replied, then Shiva Prana, then I have replied, sir. Then Raghav
D
again.
Shubhranav, later D Jaydeep, A Ritvik, Shubhranav
F, I
C.
said.
Sorry, B
Sir,
is given.
Sir, C from up.
Second only, sir, I kept C.
Sir, I have C up, sir.
Who?
Sir, you only asked them, sir.
Second only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I opted C.
Ritvik asked
second.
Shiva Prana asked third.
I want A, sir.
Sir, in public chat, first I selected
Sir,
for
I kept in public chat and
I
D,
I
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now we have only H up to H. Let us do one thing. Whoever got the chance in this slide, in this exercise, these persons will not get the chance in the next slide. Okay, next exercise. We'll give the chance to the new persons, other than these 8 persons. Okay. Do all the questions. All of you do all the questions. Jayit, in the next slide you will get. And don't send messages. If they are answers, we can send. You can send it in private chat box. If they are not answers, you can write to everyone. You should write to everyone. Only answers send privately. Other than answers, everything write publicly. Write to everyone. Okay. We'll start with Ritvik. Ritvik, proceed.
So I am taking 39 plus 44. So from 44, I am taking 1 in 39, which become 40. This will become 43.
Okay.
40 plus 43.
Oh, you are doing in that way? No.
Yes, sir.
We'll do in this because we are in Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam. Means by the addition and subtraction,
sir,
we'll do it in this way only.
39 plus 44. So to get to the multiples of 10, we can take 44 plus 6.
No. It is nearest, no?
Yes, sir.
Nearest to the base is 39.
So I told.
So,
Okay, 1.
So
39 plus
44 plus 40. 44 plus 40 is how much?
44 plus 40 is equals to 84.
84. Because we have added one extra, we'll
One
reduce
extra, so it will become 84.
83. Okay. Right. Pranav. B. Pranav. Okay. They are in mute condition. Okay. Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, I'm taking 38 as 40, sir.
Okay.
And then the answer is 73, sir. Then I am subtracting 73 minus 2, which is 71, sir.
71. Very good. Correct. Next person. Show Pranav.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we should take 35 as 40.
No, it is better. It is better to take this one.
Sir?
Closer to base is better.
Okay, sir. Sir, it will become 50.
We'll consider this number as 50.
Okay, sir. 50. 30.
Explain. Proceed.
Sir, 50 plus 35 is equals to 85. No,
Yes.
sir. 88.
50 plus 35. 85.
Yes, sir, 85.
Okay, 85. Because we have added 2 extra, we'll reduce that 2.
Yes, sir.
Answer will be
Sir, 83.
83. That's all. Then Jaydeep, right? Yeah, Jaydeep.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can add the number as 30 plus 34, which is equals to 64. And as we added 1 extra, we should subtract it from the sum, which is equals to 61.
1 extra. Wait. I'll unmute.
Sir, 3 extra, sir.
Yes, very good. Here 3 extra. 27. We have considered it as 30. Means 3 extra added. We have to remove that 3. So 64 minus 3 will be 61. Okay. Next it is Harsha. Sri Harsha.
Sir,
Is it yours?
yes, sir.
Okay, proceed.
Sir, 28 will become as 30 and 33 plus 30 is 63 and minus 2 is 61, sir.
61. Very good. Correct. Cyrus, now it is your time.
Okay, so you round 9 to 10, then it will become 83. And then you subtract 1, it will become 82.
82. Very good. Excellent. Then Aditi. Okay, wait.
Yes, sir. So we should, instead of adding 19, we will add 20.
Okay.
So the answer will be 38.
Okay.
Then we will subtract 1, which will be 37.
37. Very good. Correct.
Thank
Then, okay. Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, we'll take 27 plus 30 is 56. 56 minus 3 is 53.
26 plus 30, right?
Yes, sir.
56 minus
3 is equal to 53.
53. Very good. Correct. So now all of you clear with this sutra, Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. Okay. Whoever got the chance here, you should not write the names again and stop writing in the chat box. Stop writing in the chat box. Okay. I'm going to the next exercise. Now you can give your names. See the question first, then give name. Already started. Why? Jaydeep, already you got the chance in this one. Again, you are giving the name. That's what I told. Wait. I'll not consider all these names. I'll not consider all these names. Wait. Wait, Sai Kartikeya, Kunal. That's all. Stop the. Okay. Okay. See the question first, and one more thing here. Don't write repeatedly. There will be a maximum of 10 questions or 12 questions. There should be 12 messages. Why we are getting 60, 70, 80, 90 messages, 100 messages in the chat box? Okay. And before I explain these questions, now you give your names first. L, up to L. Okay. If completed, no need to give. Kunal, no need to write again. Whoever not there in the previous exercise, they only have to give. Kunal is writing again and again. Why? Yes, that is what I'm telling. People who got the chance in the last exercise, don't write. Okay. Okay, Kunal. D. Sai Karthikeyan. A. Already over. Jait, already A. Again, you are giving A. I. Ashwath. A. Kunal is writing, right? Written is given already. Again, Suvidha is typing A. E. Srishti. D. Sai Karthikeya. O. Jait. O is not there. D. Drona. D already over. K. Jait. Very good. C. Sudisha. Okay. Don't write the names repeatedly. Write only once. over. Why? How? I Drona, okay. I Ashwad is given already. Yeah, some more questions left over. Anybody can.
Sir, Drona is talking about L. He's talking about L.
L, okay, okay. Sorry, Drona. This is L. Few more questions.
Please explain this concept.
Yeah, I'll explain, no problem. First, we'll complete all their names. B, G, F, H.
Just
J.
9 minutes, sir. Start the problem.
Sorry?
Sir, just 9 minutes.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'll explain and we'll complete this one, no problem. Aditi, again giving the name. There are no more persons. Raghav, J. Okay, Aditi.
Sir, even Ritvik is there. Ritvik.
Ritvik.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir,
Ritvik
Ritvik
got
Cyrus. Sir, Ritvik Cyrus Pranav.
Pranav.
Cyrus.
H and B.
Sir, Cyrus and Ritvik.
I'm not asking who are the remaining. They have to give their names. Okay, then this is Ritvik. Okay, right. See, this
Ritvik got
approach.
chance.
Okay, let me explain first. By the addition and by the subtraction, till now we have done additions only. We have done with the plus only. Now we are going to deal minus. See, in the previous exercise, somewhere it is 55 plus 9. If it is 55 plus 9, instead of adding 9, we are adding 10 first. We are adding 10.
Minus 1 in
And,
answer.
later in the answer, we are doing that minus 1. That will be
64 plus
10. 65 minus 1 will be 64. If you see this question on the number line, this is 55. This is 55. Actually, we need to add 9 only, but we are adding 10. We are moving 10 positions forward, 10 positions forward, and we are coming back from those 10 positions, 65. We are coming back 1 position again. So that will be 64. Right. Because these are additions, we are moving from left to right. Left to right means it is plus. If we are moving from right to left, we have to consider it as minus, means subtractions. Somebody is giving something in the chat box. Don't write anything in the chat box. Let me explain. Please concentrate on the explanation. Don't write anything. See, here the questions are in this way, 55 minus 9. So here, instead of subtracting 9, we'll subtract 10. Okay. 55 minus 10 is how much? Plus 1.
45, sir.
Minus 10.
45.
45.
And again we will add plus 1.
See. Because we have subtracted one number extra, we have to give back to that number. That one we have to give back. Okay. That will be 46. Understood?
Yes.
I'll repeat again.
Yes, sir.
See,
Sir, can you do that?
I'm taking another number. Some 34 plus 9. If it is 34 plus 9, instead of sorry, not plus.
Sir, can you say this problem
minus.
again? Now, which you are say?
Wait. If it is 34 minus 9, instead of subtracting 9, I'll subtract 10. Okay. 34 minus 10 is how much?
24.
24.
We have subtracted one number extra, right? Instead of 9, we have subtracted 10 means we have subtracted one number extra. That's why we have to give back.
Sir, we should add one number to the answer.
Yes. That's why it will be 25. So
Sir,
means on the number line, we are from 34. If it is 34, actually we need to subtract 9, but we are subtracting directly 10. So from that to 24, again I'm coming back. Coming back means a positive side. So that's why I'm adding that one. So to get the answer,
understood. Sir, I understood.
Who didn't know?
Sir, I understood.
sorry, 25. Okay. See,
Sir, if the number in the place of 9 is 8 means we have to again plus 2 only, no sir?
yes, that's all. Right. The same as in the previous case only. If it is 34 plus 8, 34 minus 8, instead of subtracting 8, we'll subtract 10. Later we'll add 2 extra. Because we are subtracting 2 extra.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Okay. See the
Sir,
logic
let's
behind
start
this.
the problem.
See the logic behind this sutra. 34 minus 9, right? So here 34 minus, can I write 9 as a 10 minus 1?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Means then 34 is as it is. Next 10 minus 10 minus 10. This minus into minus is how much?
Plus.
That's why it is plus. Okay, first we are doing this one.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if question is 64 plus minus 52 minus 52.
Sorry?
Drushti, your voice is really breaking.
Sir, I'm saying that if question is
Drushti, we can't hear you properly. Your voice is really breaking.
Yes, Srishti, your voice is breaking. Okay.
Sir,
Let us-
then what we should do when it's 34 minus 23?
We'll see this type of questions also later. Okay, now we are seeing the questions based on the base numbers.
Sir, Srushti gave that the question is 64 minus 32.
64 minus 32. Okay, we'll see.
Sir,
We'll see that type of questions also. Okay, we'll see every type of question. We'll cover all types of questions. Just to be patient. So what concentrate on what I'm giving in every class, even in every day, every session. Okay. In today's session, we are doing this way. In the later classes, we'll do all types of questions. Everything will be covered.
Let's start the problems.
Let us
Yes,
start.
sir.
Kunal, start your explanation. Kunal,
Yes, sir.
yeah, proceed.
Sir, first, sir, 44 minus 19, sir. First, we need to add for 19, 20, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, so 20 minus 9,
We
sir,
can add
so
20.
20 minus 44
No,
is 25,
no other
sir.
person should speak. No other person.
Sir,
Only Kunal.
20 minus 44 is 25,
No,
sir.
20
25.
minus 44. How it is possible?
44 minus 20, sir.
Yeah.
It's 20.
Yes, sir.
Let
Sir,
Kunal
so the
speak.
answer is
Remaining
20.
person should not speak.
Sir, so the answer is 25, sir.
Explain.
Yes, sir. Sir, if 44 minus 20, sir. We need to take subtraction, sir. So
Okay.
as there is 19, sir, we need to take 20, sir. Because
Okay.
in
That,
Vedic math, we need to do
44 minus 20.
multiples of 20, sir. So then 44 minus 20 is 25, sir.
24.
Yes, sir.
That's all. That is the answer.
Yes, sir. And again we need to add plus, sir. Plus 1.
Plus 1. That will be
25.
your answer will be 25. Yeah. Then
Yes, sir.
Ritvik.
Yes, sir. So the answer, so the question is 65 minus 29. As we should add 1 to 29, it will become 30. So 66 minus 30 is equals to 36. Then we have to add 1. 36 plus 1 is equals to 37. So the answer will be 37, sir.
Very good. Correct. Sudisha, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, 88 minus 49. So here 49 will become 50, sir.
Hmm.
So 88 minus 50, sir.
Yes.
88 minus 50 is going to be 138, sir.
No.
139, sir, totally.
No. You're adding. You have to subtract 88 minus 50. How it will be more than 100?
More
Sir, we should minus, not plus.
Just tell me, Sudisha, 88 minus 50 is how much?
38.
Sir, it's going to be 38, sir.
Yeah, 38. And later add one extra. Why one extra? Because instead of 49, we have considered 50. Clear?
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I sent my answers of this to you in personal chat, sir.
Okay. Wait. Sai Karthikeyan.
Sir, first the question is 55 minus 9.
Hmm.
We should take 10 in 9.
Hmm.
And we should minus 55 minus 10
Hmm.
is equal to 45.
Yes.
So at that time we should add 1 to 45, it will become 46. The answer is equal to 46.
Very good. Correct. Srishti.
Sir, 52 minus 28. So 28 will become 30. So 52 minus 30 is 22. So 22 plus 2 is 24.
Yes, very good. Correct. So y plus 2, because we have already subtracted 2. That's why we are giving just giving back to that number. Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, I'm taking 48 as 50, sir.
Okay.
And then 72 minus 50 is 22, sir.
Okay.
And then we add 2, sir, which gives 24, sir.
24. Very good. Aditi.
Yes, sir. So instead of subtracting 38, we will subtract 40 from 66.
Yes.
So the answer will be 26.
Okay.
Then we will add 2, which will be 28.
Okay. 28. So you should not remember like by adding. You should understand the logic. Okay. Everybody should not give the answer as this is the way, and you don't by add anything here. You just try to understand the logic and try to apply that logic again. Yeah, Cyrus.
Okay, so you round up 58 to 60, then you minus 81 minus 60, then you get 21. Then you add 2 to the 21 and you get 23.
23. Very good. Excellent. Then Ashwath.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first we need to add 30. We need to add 4 to 36, sir.
Okay.
It will become 40.
Okay.
Then 83 minus 40 equal to 43. Then we need to add plus. We need to add 4 to 40.
3.
43, sir. No. Yeah, 43.
Answer will be?
Sir, the answer will
43
be
and 4.
47.
47. Very good. Correct. Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed.
Yes, sir. 90 minus 66.
Hmm.
Sir, as one number is already in 10 form, can you directly subtract?
This is okay, but this is not.
Yes, sir. 66 will become 70.
Consider it as 70 simple.
Yes, sir. 90 minus 70 is 20.
20.
20 plus 4 is 24.
24. That's okay. Jay, finally you got this one.
Yes, sir. Sir, 27 will be 30.
Okay.
Sir,
55 minus 30.
55 minus 30. Sir, it will be 25.
25. Because you have subtracted 3 extra.
25 plus 3 is equal to 28.
28. Very good. Correct. Drona.
Yes, sir. We have to add 3 numbers to 57 and make it 60, and 60 minus 60 is equal to 0, and we have to add 3, sir.
3. According to the procedure you have explained, right?
Yes, sir.
But particularly for this question, we can answer directly, right?
Yes, sir.
60 and 57.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And even with the processor and directly also we'll get the same answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll stop here. In the next class, we are going to start multiplication. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
additions and subtractions are not over yet. I'll give another alternative methods also in the later classes. Additions and subtractions, I'll give alternative methods also for bigger numbers. As we are dealing with the small numbers only as of now, we'll deal with the bigger numbers also.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
I had fun.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Sir. Bye, sir.